NordicTrack commercial tread app. The pros, the cons. Most people think treadmills are all the same, but the NordicTrack commercial tread app brings studio-style workouts into your home. You won't believe how personalized and engaging treadmill training can become. On the plus side, the app offers interactive training through Ifit, connecting you with live and on-demand workouts led by professional trainers. You can access running, walking, hiking, and interval sessions with automatic incline and speed adjustments. Real-world courses from around the globe keep workouts fresh and immersive. The app tracks calories, distance, pace, and heart rate for detailed performance insights. It also offers structured programs for beginners, intermediate, and advanced users, ensuring progression is safe and effective. Scenic workouts and audio coaching make exercise more enjoyable, while goal tracking encourages consistency. On the downside, the subscription fee adds ongoing cost, and some users find that Ifit content requires reliable internet. While the app is rich in treadmill options, it doesn't replace broader strength or cross-training programs. Initial setup and connectivity can be tricky for less tech-savvy users. In conclusion, the NordicTrack commercial tread app transforms home treadmill workouts into interactive, guided experiences. Its Ifit integration, structured programs, and global courses make exercise engaging and results-driven. While subscription cost and tech setup are considerations, the app's immersive approach makes it a powerful tool for anyone wanting to elevate their treadmill training.